Billy says, I've got a couple questions. I'm going to run E85 next year. From the info I gathered, I should run 8 AN hose to the fuel pump and a 6 AN return line. What fuel pressure should I be on that?
No, you need like number 10 to the fuel pump, and then 8 to the carburetor, and then you can return with 8.
Okay.
That way you have a surplus.
Correct.
Yeah.
He says,
And
okay.
sorry.
Go ahead.
No.
All right. Also, what should be done after the night of racing? Some guys have said to drain the bowls and run regular unleaded through the fuel pump to get all the E85 out.
If you're racing weekly, nothing.
Just at the end of the year.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you're if you're like taking 3 weeks off or a year off, then put something else through it other than that. But
And would you agree? Don't run foam if you're running the 85.
100%.
No fucking foam.
No.
No matter what, don't run foam if you're running the 85.
And do not run a paper element fuel filter.
Stainless steel.
Got to be
fuel filter.
stainless.
Yep. From my experience.
Yep.
Very costly experience. Damn sure. Make sure.
Burnt down motor experience.
Yes, sir. Yep. Leaned her out.